DavidsTV.
Please subscribe.
Aye, Captain. Whoa, this one. Whoa, look at this one. Have you ever heard of Poseidon's Golden Fidget Spinner? 9. How does it work? Whoever holds it can control the ocean. If you can control the ocean, you can play with all the ships and plunder all the treasures. Please, I need food oil for this journey. Oh my God! What is this? Is that Poseidon's treasure map? Yes, it is. This is gonna lead me to the Golden Fidget Spinner. I want the Golden Fidget Spinner. But I found the map. You found it getting my fruit roll up. We're gonna swashbuckle for it. Fine by me. Get the map and get my fidget spinner. I wonder where the map is. Where could it be? I left it on the counter. Dave, did you see anyone take the map?
Killer Clown took the map.
The clown must have stuck it and stole the map. He had his head stuck. Let's get him. I just remember the treasure map starting at the pond. I think it went into some skull bushes. Skull bushes are that way. Oh my gosh, there's a clown! Let's go get him! These bushes make a skull! This is on the map! We have to be in the right direction. Let's look for Saint and the clown. Look, Jagger, you're hot on its trail. Let's get that clown. There he is! Let's get him! Oh my God, the clown is a shower right on his heels. Let's go! Wait, the map isn't right. It's changing. Oh my God, that's not where the treasure is. The treasure's that way. Oh my God, we found the treasure. Let's see what's inside. Poseidon's fidget spinner! Actually, I changed my mind. You keep the fidget spinner. I'll take the chocolate coins. That's a deal. I love you, Jagger. I love you, Dylan.